she's started a nonprofit for girls, and she's also an activist and a member of our church. God just dropped her into the space, and we're just so grateful for her to be here. An artist, a singer, and she's gonna help lead us in this song that definitely connects with her and connects with me and a few of us here as well. And I pray that we would own it as our own. It's a song that speaks about God walking with us through it all. And so one of the great things that I find about this song is that it's used in Africa really to reconcile different languages together. It's been translated to many different languages in Africa, and it simply says, you walked with us, Lord, you walked with us, you walked with us, and we thank you. Amen. And so join us as we learn this song.
Thank you, Kim. And the most important part of Africa is we love to dance. And we are very we express ourselves in worship. If you've been to Africa or to an African church, you will know that, and you're going to experience it today. So join us together as we do this morning for the Lord. Wahamba Nathi, Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, siyabonga.
We sing these words in Zulu.
Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, siyabonga, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Wanyama Yesu, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Wanyama Yesu. Siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga.
Y'all ready to dance?
Now we're going to dance it out. To the left, to the right, left. Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi. Siyabonga. Let's move it up. Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, oh Wahamba Nathi, siyabonga, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Wanyama Yesu, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga, siyabonga Jesu. We thank you, Lord. We thank you, Jesus. Lion of heaven. We thank you, Jesus. We thank you, Lord. Let's walk it up. Let's march. The next part that we're going to sing it in Shona, the language that I speak. It's one of the major languages in Zimbabwe.